Hi all, this is the rider Roland, and you guess who's Roland? Well, as you might have noticed, I made a video last week called 7 Things I Hate About Riding a Motorcycle. If you didn't saw the video, don't worry, I will put a link in the description below and in the end of the video. But yeah, let's turn it around this week. Here are 7 things I love on a motorcycle. Let's go! Hi! Some people reacted to my last video and they thought I hate riding a motorcycle. That's a bit stupid thought. I have a motorcycle YouTube channel, so no, I don't hate motorcycles or riding. That video was just about the annoying things what comes with it while riding a motorcycle. A lot of people saw this video and I heard about many other little funny irritating things from other riders. So thank you for all your comments. Maybe someday I will make another video about those little irritating things I totally forgot. But today I'm gonna talk about 7 things I love riding on a motorcycle. Are you ready? The first thing I love about motorcycles is their power. And no, I don't mean the top speed. I mean the power. That G-force feeling when you crank open the throttle. That grunt. That monster that comes alive between your legs. That sounds a bit weird. That monster under your legs. I think F-16 pilots also probably ride a motorcycle to remind them of their job. I just love that feeling going out of a turn when you crank open the throttle. A car cannot give you that feeling. Yeah, it can, but it's gonna be a very expensive car then, like a McLaren or something like that. The next thing I love is just how easy it is to maneuver between the traffic. How easy it is to do a takeover. How you dance between the cars. I just love it. When you see those long lines of cars for a stop sign, for an open bridge, and I am just gonna ride next to it. Always in the front, at spot numero uno. You just gotta love these things as a biker. No more waiting in the back at a long line. Well, at least not for me as a biker. If you don't use those perks, you're missing out a lot of potential of riding a motorcycle. I suggest do it. Well, if it's legal, of course. You gotta check your own country rules about that one. In my last video, I talked about that I hate strong winds. However, what I really love is the wind in hot summer days. When it's very hot outside, there is nothing better than a warm wind blowing into your face. With full gear on, it can be a challenge in hot summer days. But when you're riding and you feel that warm wind, it's perfect. It is the best. When you look around you and you see all those cars with their aircos, I just think, guys, you're missing out here. Really, it is just perfect. I don't know, I think only bikers will understand what I'm trying to say here. But that's okay, because my channel is made for you. Bikers. Speaking of my channel, if you are new here and you like motorcycles, travels, everything what has to do with it, you might consider subscribing. And last time I checked, it's still totally free. So grab it while you can. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell. Otherwise, you still don't know when I bring out new content. Ah, that's where the bell is for. Without clicking the bell, you don't know. Good. Now that's all sorted out, let's head to the next point. You gotta love when you're riding a motorcycle is that wide open view. In a car, your view is very limited because of the frame of the car. But with a motorcycle, you have this open view. And there is so much to see out there. With my motorcycle, I enjoy all the great things that this beautiful planet has to offer. Beautiful trees, mountains. In the Netherlands, we don't have mountains, but yeah. Anyway, it's all breathtaking images in wonderful, colorful 4K with just using your eyes. It is not the destination what counts on the motorcycle, it is the journey itself. The next thing I love is exploring things. With my motorcycle, I just ride to explore things. It is a motivation to hop on the bike. A car I use for transportation, but a motorcycle let me explore things. I will take the detour wherever I can. I will stop at random places, random cities, just to explore them. Because we just love riding, but we also need a goal, and that's how we explore things. When you are riding a motorcycle, you're gonna see more of the world. That's a fact. Another thing I really love on a motorcycle is that you're gonna meet a lot of different people. We are all bikers. We have this mystical band with each other. We are all Family! Yes, in every family you got that nasty uncle and sometimes a little bit of drama. So, some bikers will actually hate your bike and some riders will brag about how many miles they ride and you don't. But yeah, in the end it is just family. You want to test it out? Just ride alone with your motorcycle to a beach, a parking lot, a gas station. It is just a matter of time and other bikers will join you and have a chat with you. Maybe some of you don't like that, but for me personally, I love it. The next thing I love about motorcycles are the low prices. Insurance, road tax, it's all not that very spectacular. A second-hand bike is not that expensive and most of the time when you're gonna sell it, you're probably gonna get back the money you paid for it when you bought it. So it's just fun to swap motorcycles once in a while, just to get a new riding experience. Also, a lot of service maintenance you can do easily yourself, so no expensive garage is needed. Although you need some tools for it, but see it as a one-time investment. With a motorcycle, you can save yourself a lot of money by just fixing things yourself. So, those were my 7 things I love, and I probably forgot about a whole bunch of them. So let me know in the comments, what do you love riding a motorcycle? What I totally forgot to mention in this video. Next week, I got a very exciting video coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. But for now, I'm gonna see you all next week, and remember, stay safe.